Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start managing projects with Asana. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin managing projects with Asana, the first step is to create an account on the Asana website. Once you've created your account, log in to your dashboard. Next, you'll want to create a new project. Click the New Project button, usually found in the top right corner. You'll see options for creating a project from scratch or using a template. Choose the option that best suits your needs. After selecting how to create your project, give it a name that clearly describes its purpose. You can also add a description to provide additional context. Next, choose the layout for your project. Asana offers a list view or a board view, depending on your preference. Once the layout is selected, start adding tasks to your project. Click on Add Task to enter the specific tasks needed to complete the project. For each task, you can assign it to team members by clicking on the Assigned field. Make sure to set due dates for each task to keep your project on track. You can also add attachments or comments to provide more information. As you add tasks, consider organizing them into sections or columns to improve clarity. Once your tasks and sections are in place, review everything to ensure it reflects your project goals. Now, it's time to invite team members to collaborate on the project. Click on the Share button and enter the email addresses of your team members. After inviting team members, they will receive a notification and can access the project. Encourage your team to regularly update their progress on tasks. You can use the Progress tab in Asana to monitor the overall status of the project. If you encounter any challenges, utilize the resources within Asana's Help Center for support. With this setup, you are now ready to manage your projects effectively in Asana. By following these steps, you can streamline your project management process. This will help you and your team stay organized and on task. Now, you can enjoy the benefits of a well-managed project using Asana. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.